Buy myself another bottle, I don't even check the price. Black jacket on me, looking cute, make sure she looking twice. I don't even wanna go out. It's still cold even when I'm out the house. She wanna play house, what you talking about? I wanna stay out, and I'm just talking out loud. Cigarette the wrong way round. Wake up and I'm upside down, yeah. Well, it's just the way it goes. She like her like glamorous and it's just the way it goes. Now we at the hotel, wanna take off her clothes. I'm hoping she won't talk cause I wanna lay low. It's just the way it goes. It's just the way it goes.
What you are about to see is absolutely jaw-dropping. I am Havlone, and I built a top-secret room inside what looks like an ordinary tree trunk. And it's sitting right over a roaring, powerful waterfall. This project wasn't just difficult, it was completely dangerous and shocking. No one believed it was even possible, but I put everything on the line to make it happen. From the outside, the tree looks normal, but hidden inside is a wild hideout beyond anything you could imagine. Every step was a new challenge, every moment was tense, and in the end, it all led to an explosive result that will leave you speechless. This wasn't just a build, it was an impossible mission. So stay connected with me, because today I'm going to show you everything, step by step, that's hidden behind this incredible project. I'll take you from start to finish, every small detail, every challenging moment, and every tip that was used to turn this secret room into reality. You'll see with your own eyes how an idea that seemed impossible slowly transforms into something truly unbelievable. Trust me, what's coming next is going to be impressive, shocking, and completely mind-blowing. So make sure you stay with me until the very end of the video.
Tiny beetles and woodlice, scuttling deep into the protective cracks of the ancient wood.
And if you truly enjoy this journey and appreciate the hard work behind it, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment to share your thoughts. Your support means everything to me and keeps me motivated to create even more amazing projects like this for you.